Namaskar. Good morning to all of you. So today we are going to do one of the breathing technique called Vilom Pranayama. So Vilom is a derived from Sanskrit word which is V and Loma. V means empty and Loma means actually the hairs of our body. But here we are going to mean it the reverse direction or opposite of something. So here we are going to learn a technique of breathing where we are going to inhalation and exhalation in an interrupted manner. So the first step we will start with the interrupted inhalation. Second we are going to do interrupted exhalation, and on the third step we are going to do interrupted inhalation and exhalation. This is a very subtle practice and a beautiful practice for the beginners who are actually starting their meditation or pranayama technique. So in the Viloma Pranayama, when we do the interruption inhalation or interruption exhalation, on that time you can imagine a staircase, so like when we walk on the staircases, so like one staircase to the next staircase, there is a few seconds of this pauses. So we are going to create that same pauses in our inhalation and exhalation. So I will show you the first practice on the sitting position so that you can understand in a better way, because it is a very subtle practice, but rest of the practice we are going to do in a line. So I'll just show you in a sitting posture. By chance if you have difficulty to sit down on the floor, in that case you can take this kind of cushion or the blocks and you can sit on this like this, so that your back is erect and your knees goes automatically down towards the mat or towards the earth, and your spine is automatically erect behind, so that your practice is much more easy to do because your chest is much more open and you can feel the movement of the breath nicely. So just to start with the Vilom Pranayama, I am going to place my left palm over the belly and right palm over the chest so that I can show you that how it's happened, because it's a quite subtle practice as I described you. So here I am going to start with my interruption inhalation, and you will see that like 2 seconds I am going to inhale and then I'll take pause for 2 seconds and then again I'll inhale. So it's depend up to the capacity of the lungs that how many pauses or how many interruption actually you can create in this practice. Maybe beginners, they can just start with 2 to 3 pauses, 4 pauses, whatever is your capacity. You can do that much. So let's begin. So first we are going to close our eyes as it is palms on the belly and the chest. First we are going to just practice one round of deep inhalation and exhalation. So a smooth, slow, deep inhalation. And a long exhalation. So I have done one round of deep inhalation and exhalation, but there was a full control over the breath. That's called our deep inhalation and exhalation. Deep inhalation and exhalation doesn't mean that you're going to suck the air quickly and you're going to quickly release the air out. Yeah? And there should not be any sound of the inhalation and exhalation. That's how you can make it that your breath is much more controlled. You have controlled over your breath. So that is the first motto of the pranayama, that you have control over your breath, and that is the meaning of the pranayama. So let's begin with the Vilom Pranayama, and with the first step is interrupted inhalation. So close the eyes, spine is erect, shoulders roll behind slightly. can see it. Now I will show you one round interrupted exhalation. So we will inhale at one go and then we will exhale with the various pauses. So you can imagine that now you are getting down from the staircases. So like 1 pause, 2, 3, 4, 5, like this. Yeah. So just let's begin. Now we will do one round of interrupted inhalation and interrupted exhalation. So same way you can imagine that like maybe you are going up and then you are coming back. Yeah. So let's begin. So yes, we have done 3 different steps in the sitting position. Now we are going to do this practice of Viloma Pranayama lying on our back, because as I said, this practice meant for the beginners who is starting their breathing techniques or the pranayama practice. It would be a wonderful practice for them to enhances their lungs capacity. Later of the practice, I'll describe or I'll tell you the benefit of this practice. This is a wonderful breathing technique and you can feel the effect immediately. So let's lie down on our back. So same in a Savasana, feet is apart, feet flop just slightly sideways, very much relaxed. Arms are at the sides of the body. Little away from the body, fingers should have the gentle and the natural curve. So first one round we are going to inhale and exhale. If you wish, you can bring the palm, the left palm over the navel and right palm over the chest, just to feel that movement of the breath. And if you wish, you can continue into the Savasana. I would love to place my palms over the abdomen and the chest so that I can feel that controlled movement on my breath. So let's begin with the interrupted inhalation. Now just be aware of the normal breathing. And at the same time, you can observe the effect. Now, the time for interrupted exhalation. So let's begin. Inhale at one go. Exhale with the various pauses. Remember, you are getting down from the staircases. interrupted inhalation and exhalation. Remember, you are climbing up on the staircases and climbing down from the staircases. Yeah, 5 rounds of it. Let's begin. Now we are going to slowly come back. So gently raise the hands above the head, bend your legs. And then gently turn towards your right. With the supports of the palms, we slowly come back to the sitting position. So yes, now the time to describe the benefit of it. So quickly you can feel that you feel a deep effect of relaxation, because as I said, it's an interrupted inhalation and exhalation. So meanwhile, what happened when we do the interrupted inhalation and exhalation, it's actually creates some extra length of our breathing. So like say you inhale maybe for 2 to 3 seconds, but actually when we do this practice, our inhalation may extend it by for like 5 to 6 seconds, and same with the exhalation. So our cells of our body can absorb more oxygen. So we can feel that rejuvenating effect very quickly. So we can feel that, calming, soothing and relaxing effect in our body and mind. That is the best effect of this practice. To release your, day-to-day stress, anxiety, tensions from your body and mind. This is going to be an amazing practice. Second thing, as I said, it's a beautiful or wonderful practice for the beginners. So like beginners, when you want to start your pranayama technique, we can feel that we are like our inhalation and exhalation, it's like bit short. So maybe it's little difficult to start with any kind of higher stages of pranayama. You can start with this Viloma pranayama, because you can do this practice sitting and lying in both ways, and it has that instant effect, and it's actually increase the capacity of our lungs. So thank you so very much.